Congrats! You have so many supporters. What's your name? Your name is?
MJ.
MJ! MJ, how old are you, MJ?
4.
4 years old. MJ, how long have you been singing?
Elsa and Moana and Robert Show.
Ay, nako, hindi ko naintindihan yon, pero good job. Okay, MJ, how old did you start singing?
4.
4! So basically, kaka-learn lang mag-sing. Wow! MJ, I can't help but notice, you have so many supporters. Who's with you today? Do you have your mama here? Where's mama? Ay, there they are! Ang dami nga nila. So, nandito ang mama, I know ang cousins, andito din, titos and titas. Naku naman, ang daming supporters. Sige nga, nasaan ang supporters si MJ? Ang dami. Isang buong barangay dinala sa SM. Naku, kung paramihan ng supporters, MJ, panalo ka na. Okay, MJ, my question now is, if you win, what are you gonna do with the money? Are you gonna give the money to your mama? Yes? MJ, from 1 to 10, how much do you wanna win? 10! Ayan! Gusto niyang mahalo. MJ, I'm just curious, MJ. Who's your favorite singer?
Moana and Elsa
Oh.
and Rapunzel.
Wow! Moana, Elsa, and Rapunzel. Such good singers. Grabe. Sige nga, you said Moana. Do you know any song by Moana?
Yeah.
What song do you know?
And the light in the sea is calls me. And I wanna know where far it goes. And the world is easy and guide me. And I wanna know where far it goes.
Wow! Sabi ko na sa inyo, di ba, nag-vocalize. Kaya natagalan. Ayan, MJ, why don't you say hi to everyone? Say hi, everyone! Ayan, MJ, best of luck to you. Okay, ikaw naman. This time, I want you to scream yes, okay? Do you wanna win?
Yes.
Yes. Louder, do you wanna win?
Yes.
Do you wanna become SM Little Star?
Yes.
Yes, palakpakan naman for MJ! Good job, little girl. High five! Ayan, best of luck to you, MJ. Hopefully, we'll see you at the regionals. Maraming salamat! SM Star Auditioning number 3! O, diba kanina, nag-vocalize, ngayon ayaw na